back to another video. Today we're going to be riding the pedal bike because we don't have surron. Testing surron videos coming soon. Well, let's get to it. I think it's about to rain. I don't really know. But let's go right around. Holy, yo, y'all guys see that? What is that? You gotta wait. Couldn't even stay. My bad for the wind noise. I think we're gonna try to go to my sister's bus stop, which is yeah, we're I'm gonna pop it up.
You niggas just didn't be able to mop shit, take a risk. So that's a guarantee I'm getting chips, it's just lit. On the case, with niggas be chatting. They say I'm only 14, charging.
Oh, I'm gonna get back on the circle. I don't know, bro. Y'all guys want surround videos? So I'm wondering. Oh my, we're cooked. Bro, like my will skitter on one of these. It was like crazy, bro. Bro, I need Allens to put this down. Sadly. Bro, I can't use the Allens, I don't know why. I just heard thunder, bro, we're fried. Where's everyone at? I'm not sure if that was thunder chat. I don't know, bro. I think the storage like cut out. Well, it wasn't the storage. I don't think this thing can record for like very long. Sorry about the wind noise. Yo, I think we're gonna go inside. We might go inside this neighborhood if the gate's open. I'm gonna cut it, and I'll be back over there. We made it. The gate's open like usual. I don't care, bro. Alright, I think we're gonna go to the lake. Oh my, they have a good street for wheelies. Bro, and I think the lake should be over here. Yeah, it's right here. Where the pool is. Okay, it's nice. Yeah, I'm gonna get a quick cinematic.
Cinematic in 3, 2, 1.
Raining real bad, bro. We gotta hurry up. Oh my, it's raining real bad. Dude, shoot, we gotta hurry up. Y'all don't even care. I'm running it. Holy, bro. Hopefully my camera's not getting wet. Oh my god. Y'all don't cut it.
Get home. We got soaked, but we're chilling. Yeah.